How to improve and destroy your health. Always eat fatty food and avoid walking so that you can gain weight. Try to avoid regular exercise and never resist the temptation of those tasty snacks loaded with MSGs. Always eat that tasty deep-fried food. The fatty acids in it will inflame your body. Try to stay awake till midnight and play video games on your phone so that those electromagnetic radiations might nourish your brain and improve your sleep cycle. And get up early in the morning. Early afternoon when your testosterone is at its peak. And for the rest of your day you will feel very active, drained of energy. Never hesitate to drink these sugary sodas to quench your thirst. Water is tasteless and unhealthy, healthy. Fruits that grow on trees are its precious jewels, and you should not pick them or eat them. Instead, prefer those chocolates and sweets made of refined sugar. It will decrease your chances of diabetes and hypertension. Always smoke and engage your friends in passive smoking as it will benefit their lungs more than yours, and your chances of getting cancer will decrease significantly, increase. Just kidding, don't take my advice seriously as you might destroy or improve your health.